to another episode of House of Maharrani. Here I talk about life and everything in between. My name is Raisha, and today for Self-Care Sunday I am baking some biscuits and making some crispy fried chicken. Also, for life topic, I am going to talk about how to change your life. So without further ado, let's get started. Quickly, I want to talk about the recipe. I just got it randomly from, Google. I'm going to put the link down below so that you can pinpoint the recipe. Okay, I have preheated my oven today. I did not forget it at 450 and it's ready. So what I'm going to actually do is make probably 2 batches and then it's going to be quite sticky, so make sure you have flour. So now the biscuit dough is prepped. I'm going to actually make the batter for, frying the chicken. The instruction is to mix 5 tablespoons of this batter mix. 2, 3, 4. I have a hard time following recipes. I guess that's one of the reasons why I'm learning how to bake. Half a cup of ice cold water. Okay. Ooh. Okay, there are lumps. Trying, I guess, get rid of the lumps. Not putting anything in this batter because it comes seasoned. Once you have made the liquid batter, so apparently you can use the rest of this mix to coat it again. We'll just take the marinated chicken, dip it in the batter, and then dip it in this. I have gone ahead and prepped or marinated my chicken already. I put lemon juice, salt, and then I put some turmeric because I love turmeric. And then ginger and garlic, grated ginger and garlic, so that it's marinated and ready to go. Let's bread the chicken. Dip it in, coat it in this lovely ensemble. Okay, now let's talk about the topic of the day, which is how to change your life. You have to ask yourself this one very important question, which is, are you happy? And if the answer is no, then you have to figure out which aspect of your life are you unhappy with. Now, this can be anything, your career, your relationship. When I was figuring out what is it that's making me the most unhappiest, and my answer was constantly my career. I was not happy at all. I mean, everything was amazing, the comfort that I had, the financial stability, and again, I have been talking about this constantly, but I think I was just unfulfilled. There wasn't any sort of contentment that a person should get in regards to what they are doing. Not only that, I felt like whatever I was doing was just meaningless. Again, you have to be true to yourself, and not only that, when you're true to yourself, you also have to accept the truth, and then only you will be able to make the decision, which is a change. And again, it's difficult, it's scary, but it's necessary, okay? Now that you have decided to make a change in your life, the way you would have to go about it is you have to take the time to do everything possible in regards to understand what you like, what do you enjoy the most, and start immersing yourself in those activities. When you start doing these activities, I feel like what it will do is it will help you just get closer to yourself. You'll start understanding what really makes you happy, what really brings you joy, and not only that, all of the things that your body is rejecting, all of the things that your mind is rejecting is something that you have to start eliminating from your life. I'm not going to tell you to just like, you know, up and about, like leave your job and like do whatever you want to. Be smart about it. For me, it took time. I took around, I want to say like 9 months to really take the time to figure myself out in regards to what is it that I want to do in life. I mean, I'm still figuring out, trust me. It's, again, like I'm saying, it's a process. But I think what I started realizing was there are a few things that I want to do in life, especially when it comes to, you know, making a living and making an earning. I mean, financial stability is important, but at the same time also realize that you know, there are ways for you to be financially stable by doing the things that you love. Again, honing that specific skill set that you are really good at and being able to utilize it in order to also make an earning, I feel like is the best way to go. I feel like a lot of us are constantly just going through life without actually taking the time to really understand, okay, what is it that I want to do? The way I feel like, you know, we are brought up in this world is like you have to have these specific skills or else nothing is going to happen for you. Because of that mindset that I had, I was constantly really pushing myself through a negative headspace to say, I mean, you know, you're not worth it, there's nothing that you can do, I mean, there's so many things lacking. And to overcome this mindset, I really had to do a 360 mindset shift. And for me, it's about figuring out what is it that I bring to the table. And something that you can do as well is like really understand yourself, is like, what can you bring to the table? And that only you know. You know, there are going to be a lot of obstacles, I'm sure. There are going to be a lot of things that's going to pull you down. I mean, for me, it has been a process. Like I said, it's still a process every single day. But again, as long as you are staying true to your intention, you know, for me, my intention was that I wanted to be able to bring back meaning in my life. I wanted to bring back happiness in my life in doing whatever I'm doing. And for that, you have to always remind yourself of your intention, which is to be happy and live life just the way it's meant to, which is just the way you want to. Trust me, nobody can tell you, nobody should tell you how to live, because ultimately it's your life and you have to make the choice to forge your own path and walk this journey called life on your own. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe this channel, and do let me know in the comments below how you're doing in your life. You know, are you looking to make a change? Or if you have already made a change, like how are you going about it? Also, support your girl. I mean, this is my career now. So let's go, people. Let's go. Until next time, take care, everyone. Bye-bye. Enjoy life.